let's add some essential apps that you might need as you navigate through Schoology. Apps in Schoology simply add functionality to Schoology through other types of programs. To get to My Apps, what you do is go up to the Apps icon on the top of Schoology next to the magnifying glass and click on it. Then click App Center. We're going to install 3 apps to get things going. The first app we need is the Google Drive Resource app. You're going to click on the icon and then click Install Resource App. It will give you a prompt to agree to allowing the 2 programs to talk together, and then you click Install. To get back to the App Center, we come up to the upper right corner and we click App Center. Another app you'll want to add is the Google Drive Assignments. So I'm going to scroll down and find Google Drive Assignments, click on the icon, and I am going to select Install LTI App. Again, I get the consent form allowing the 2 programs to talk to each other. I agree. And with the LTI app, you can choose which course you want to have the resource added to. I'm going to just add it to my online course and my sandbox course right now. You do have the option of only installing it for course admins or teachers if you wish, and then click Install. It will now be available in the courses that you've selected. Again, we'll go back to the App Center. The last one that we want to install is YouTube. We all like YouTube, and lots of them are very good initial instructional tools. So let's click on the YouTube icon, and again, Install Resource App. Agree to allow the 2 programs to talk to each other, and install it to My Resources. That's all the apps you'll need for now to use Schoology effectively and efficiently.